Hello folks, today we're doing another Stupid Contractor Award episode, and I think you're going to love this one. I tell you what, sometimes I just see some of these things and I just can't even begin to fathom stupid, but can you say, can it really be? Well, here you go. This is it. Actually, I was hired to come in here because somebody got hurt and stepped on a nail, and of course the contractor said, well, I got nothing out there. Well, this is what we found. This is what they call nothing. See my nails? Just walk right on through here. Oh, here's a nice one. I guess the old saying "screw you" is got a new meaning here. Look at that. I mean, it's through this tall grass. So you come walking through here, you're going to liable to step right on a nail like these other people did, and then they're going to get sued. And there's no need in it. This actually, in my day, was something that you would be fired for. I guess we just didn't tolerate stupid back in the old days. Anyway, folks, thank you for watching our videos. Give us a holler. Galloway Building Services. Hit like and subscribe.